Step into the world of knowledge where understanding is just a tutorial away. Picture yourself mastering a new skill. Maybe it's baking a perfect pie or perfecting a yoga pose, all with the help of a how-to guide. Every day, millions of people turn to these guides to learn, grow, and become better at what they do. It's not about being an expert right off the bat. It's about taking that first step and then the next, until you're standing atop a mountain of mastered skills. Find your passion, be it in the arts, sports, technology, or a simple household task. Dive into the vast ocean of tutorials waiting for you. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and every pro started with the basics. So, what skill will you conquer today? With the right guide, the possibilities are endless. In a world where knowledge is power, how-to guides are your key to unlocking potential. Go ahead, embrace the journey of learning, and revel in the joy of self-improvement. Dare to learn, dare to grow, dare to master. Because in the grand game of life, we're all just students in the classroom of experience.